How can you put customers and shoppers first? The answer: stage try. But let us back up a sec. What is stage try to begin with? Well, it's the only $0 checkout button for e-commerce that ends abandoned carts, converting them to revenue. We actually turn your store into heaven for shoppers. Here is the power button that drives your customer's experience to keep your commerce growing in scale. To explain how it works, think of it like a funnel made up of 3 parts. At the top, you have the sales channel installation and connection with your Shopify store. Then, a simple store setup guide to access our $0 checkout, which will increase brand awareness, stop abandoned carts, and allow customers to discover your brand without any financial commitment. You can also add a badge and menu to educate your customers and offer them interactive shopping tours. How's that for customer experience? Okay, you've reduced your abandoned carts with the preactive tool. But what does the $0 checkout button do? Customers don't commit to the purchase before knowing what they're buying, which recovers lost sales from doubts and buyer's remorse. But even better, you receive payment upfront when stage try orders are placed, like you normally would. Your revenue is still recognized at checkout. Plus, you have access to a fully configurable dashboard, and it has all the tools you need to help those customers that worry about size, color, and fit through easy messaging. That means stage try drives your growth while making the hard stuff feel easy. Grow your business on your terms. If you are ready to learn more, book a meeting to discover more about stage try and how it can help you grow. We'll chat soon.